Okay, so basically this is not for pro. This is just for beginner who want to learn Ansible and they are using Windows system. So this video is for those people. And what I am doing is I'm not explaining the concept or anything here. I'm just using a udacity project which I have completed a nano degree. So there I had learned some basic of Ansible playbook and everything. So from there I'm referring these, and this will be a basic for you, like how you can set up and how you can run a CI/CD pipeline. So for that purpose you can learn how Ansible used to work. So first of all, if you have not done the setup, so what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to the Play Store, and there you need to install Windows subsystem for Linux. So this is Linux. It should be Linux here, and then you need to set up WSL, but it is already is in Windows 11, and then you need to install Ubuntu app. So these you need to install, and then you can follow the install and see sudo apt install or sudo like these command. So this command you can check, and then you can uh, set up the Ansible. And I will just show you so you will not be confused. So this one you need to install Windows subsystem for Linux, and then Ubuntu you need to install. So this is the Ubuntu app you need to install. I have already installed it, and then you can just go to your okay. You can check in your system also. Like if I will show you, so I have already set up this, so it is there in my system. Once it will be installed, what you can do is just integrate with your Visual Studio and then add folder to workspace, and there you can add that folder or create a Ansible folder. Then in terminal you need to go and then through new terminal, and then there will be option like open terminal, and these are the option. So you have to select your Ubuntu system here. That's the thing which you need to do for running your Ubuntu command. After that, what I am going to do, I am just explaining you a basic inventory setup, what you need to do there. So this is the basic command, first you need to create a main.yml file. So note this one. This is the YAML file which you need to create. You can write this code there. Then you need to create a roles. So that should be like this. So when I will go here, I have created a folder roles, then print and then tasks. And there I have created a main.yml file. And in that YAML file, you can just to check everything, you can write this code. Don't distract by this one because I'm just setting up AWS CLI so that I can set up Node also. Meanwhile, I'm just explaining this like setting an inventory file. Once you have created this folder for roles, these roles will be like to task basically you can say, and this will be your main file which will ask, or like this is the name, this is the host, and these are the roles. So this roles will ask this task like this print task, and then it will print the variable. Okay, and all you need to do is see, first step is this one. You can take this, you can pause, and then you can see directory, this one. These you need to do, and once that has been created, so like if you want to know, I will explain those, but first I will show you the command, which command you can run to see your to create your YAML, or you can say to create your playbook. So here, this you don't need to, because I have already shown you this Udacity code, so you don't need to, just for learning purpose I have copy paste that code here, and you can just take that, and then simply you need to run this command, Ansible Playbook main.yaml, and then the output will be like this. So I have already done that, so I can show you like this, but as of now installation is going on, so I can't show you. uh, so basically, for Windows user, they are new, they can just try this and they can set up a inventory or playbook file if they know what is, they want to know role and this. So okay, I will explain those, but to be honest, this is from the website I have taken, and you can just take it like simply, this target what target says, like suppose there is a multiple server. Suppose this is a control node, and through this you want to run on many node, like host, node 1, node 2, or you have created AWS instances. Suppose, okay, I will explain you. See, what I am trying to do, I'm setting a control server here, and what I will do, I will control this AWS instance also from my local machine. So for that I am just setting up, but I have just created the inventory file. So first, yeah, for that inventory I have made this video. So for your understanding, target are nothing but the target machine which you are going to use, and it will be under the hosts. Here web is just a name, but we need to create a file, and there we need to give those IP addresses which will come under this web. We will see later those, but as of now we can just simply write host here. So like here, this is my local machine which I am targeting, so that's why it is host, and the name is exercise, and target task is print. So that's all. We need to do a simple playbook, how to create a playbook. So that's all from my side, and in last you can see this one, like this is the command you need to run to create a playbook. Hope that you have understood what uh, you need to do to create a playbook. Thanks.